Now in news around the nation, as floods run through and devastate Kern County, Texas, Bakersfield's CityServe is mobilizing to help the area. And they're asking for your help. 17's Justin White has more.
In Texas, being at the site of an unparalleled natural disaster is unlike any other way to see it.
This type of devastation is a little surreal.
CityServe Senior Vice President Todd Lamphere arrived July 10th. The destruction he finally got to see with his own eyes is almost unbelievable.
I mean, it looks like a Cat 5 hurricane came through here. There isn't any pictures that can really capture the power and magnitude of this flood force that came through this region right here.
But with tragedy, the resilience of the human spirit shines through. And as the saying goes, everything's bigger in Texas. So too is their capacity for kindness.
You're hearing stories of first of all, just incredible heroism. Talked to a lady who, she owns an RV campground. She got up at 3:30 in the morning, knocking on each one of her RV owners' homes and getting them to safety. I mean, acts like that are just extraordinary. Here is special. There's something different here in Texas. The way that Texans are taking care of Texans is extraordinary.
But in times like these, even a state with an unbreakable spirit like Texas needs a helping hand. That's where the faith-based CityServe can step in and do its best work.
We really have been able to, over the years, establish a really well-rounded group of churches and our faith-based network throughout the country. And so when disasters strike, we're able to check in with our churches in that area and see how we're able to help and devise a plan.
The plan for now is reconnaissance. And as Kern County, Texas rebuilds, Kern County, California, shows itself as a place she can lean on.
I think the people of Kern County need to be extremely proud.
It's only because of the spirit of people here in Kern County that CityServe has been able to grow so rapidly throughout the world.
From Bakersfield, Justin White, 17 News.
And if you'd like to help with recovery efforts, you can send a donation or sign up to become a trained volunteer with the Red Cross. All you have to do is scan the QR code on your screen with your smartphone to donate, or you can call the number 1-800-435-7669. You can also text the word Red Cross to 90999 to make a donation and make a difference.